Hello friends, today's topic is to maintain a clean and hygiene kitchen environment. For a clean and hygiene kitchen environment, the first thing that you need is cleaning schedule and routines. You could have daily cleaning routine, you could have weekly deep cleaning routine and monthly disinfecting as well. The task that you need to do in daily cleaning is set aside time each day to wipe down countertops, sinks, stove tops with soap and water, clean up the spills and crumbs immediately, sweep and mop the floors. In weekly cleaning routine, you need to schedule a weekly deep clean plan to clean the oven, refrigerator and dishwasher. Dust and clean light fixtures, ceiling fans and air vents. Organize kitchen cabinets and drawers. While monthly disinfecting includes disinfect high-touch areas like faucets, light switches, doorknobs, countertops and sinks. While maintaining a clean and hygiene kitchen environment, after cleaning schedules and routine, you need to organize and declutter the kitchen. For this, get rid of unused kitchen gadgets and appliances, broken or damaged dishes and utensils, expired and spoiled food. Get rid of all these. Then, assign a home for each item. Designate a specific place for kitchen utensils and gadgets, dishes and dishwasher, dishes and dishware, pots and pans, cleaning supplies. Utilize storage containers and bins to keep spices, oils, cleaning supplies, kitchen utensils and gadgets. The third thing that you can do is to sanitize and disinfect. Sanitize all the high-touch areas which are regularly used like countertops, sinks, stovetops, refrigerator handles as well. Then disinfect kitchen tools and equipments like cutting boards, utensils, pots and pans and dishwashers. Use a dishwasher to sanitize and disinfect dishes, pots and pans and utensils. The fourth point that you need to ponder upon is pest control and waste management. Seal any cracks in the windows, doors, pipes and vents. Then store food in sealed containers, airtight bins, refrigerators or freezer. Take out the trash regularly and do the recycling. It will prevent odors, prevent pests, keep the kitchen clean and hygiene. You also need to think about personal hygiene. Wash your hands before doing any task with soap and warm water, especially before handling food. Keep your kitchen cloths neat and clean like apron, towels, clean and wash them regularly. Also avoid cross-contamination, separating raw meat, poultry, seafood from ready-to-eat foods and using separate cutting boards and utensils for raw meat, poultry and seafood. Number 6 is deep cleaning task. Clean the oven every 1 to 2 months to remove grease and food residues, prevent smoke and odors. Clean the refrigerator every 1 to 2 months to remove expired and spoiled food and wipe down shelves and walls. Also remember the dishwasher. Clean the dishwasher every 1 to 2 months to remove the grease and food residues. Check and replace filters as well. By following these guidelines, you can maintain a clean and hygiene kitchen environment that is safe and healthy for you and your family. I hope you would have liked the video. Kindly subscribe the channel and share this video with your family and friends. You can also suggest any topic on which you want the next video. Stay tuned for next video. See you soon.